Elk is a development board that helps you build blockchain-connected devices in minutes. What can you build with it? With Elk, you can build a phone charging station that accepts payments in DAI and Ethereum. Or build a smart basketball hoop that accepts bets. Or build an oracle for a smart contract that pays you money when you work out. You can also use it to build home automation devices that you can control remotely and privately with no servers in between, using Ethereum's Whisper protocol and our own app. Like this door lock. Or this light bulb. The possibilities are truly endless. At Elk, we built a development board, an SDK, and a mobile app that makes it super simple to build devices that interact with Ethereum, Bitcoin, IPFS, IOTA, and more. It's a fun and interactive way to explore the potential of blockchain in the physical world. You can learn more at elk.cc. We'll be up on Kickstarter soon, so sign up for the early bird.